In our vast open pampas, where the wind holds our flags in a tight embrace, and oil gushes up from beneath the land and the sea. Here, people pioneer new paths, and Dap Helicopters new routes. Because we have been flying the Patagonian skies for more than 28 years, we know how to take you wherever you need to go, and are actively involved in the region's main mining, industrial, and service projects. Because more than 65,000 flight hours and 420,000 safe takeoffs and landings are achieved through a commitment to excellence and the very best. Because we are certified ISO 9001 compliant, you can trust Patagonia's largest helicopter fleet operator. Dap Helicopters. Our experience, your best guarantee. Dap Helicopters and Dap Helicopters Argentina.